you guys doing? So what are you doing? Let him sit down. You can sit right here. You can move my stuff if you want. Anywhere you feel like it. Here, give it to me. I'll put it on this chair so they can have that table. Thank you, baby. There, no, I've been neglecting the game. Oh, there you go.